Hi, I'm Dr. Gaurav Mittal, CEO of Ayurvedic company called Mahaguru Navgirha Private Limited. We have various products into Ayurveda. Today, I shall cover five elements of the universe and their impact on the human body, and how these Ayurvedic therapies work based on these elements. So, health defines the complete well being of mind, body, and social lifestyle, and not just absence of the disease and illness. When the human experiences some kind of imbalance in the body, the birth of the sickness takes place. The sickness is simply caused by disease that can happen both physically or mentally. Both of these terms are interrelated to each other. Sickness causes stress and pain in the human body. It can also include injuries, infections, and other factors. The human body is a type of machine that requires proper oiling and maintenance. When it does not get the proper aid, it gets out of the control and therefore it requires repairing. There are cures of several types of the body sicknesses. It involves the usage of the drugs, surgery, or sometimes a change in the atmosphere. A human body can be treated using medicine and science. A new discovery takes place almost daily to find a cure for a particular type of a sickness. There are various factors that make the human body sick. It can be food, water, air, etc. A balance of the several elements is required to avoid sickness and keep the human body healthy by restoring the balance of the disturbed body mind matrix with proper diet, lifestyle, administration of the drugs, and resorting to preventive rasayana and panchkarma therapies. Panch Mahabhutas are the five great elements that work together, makes every element of this universe. These elements include space, wind, fire, water, and earth. Each element has its own unique characteristics and a major role to play in formation of this world. According to Ayurveda, even the human body is composed of these five elements. Panch Mahabhutas are directly associated with the health system of the human body. A balanced proposition of these elements in the human body is quite necessary to sustain a healthy lifestyle. It is believed that these five elements can be balanced by five fingers of a human body. These are mudras, yoga's poses to balance all five elements in the human body, which ultimately balance mind body function. Let's understand these five elements and their impact on human body. First one is the air, which is called Vayu. It represents the gaseous form of the matter present in the body. It also includes the energy formed by several movements within the body like heartbeat, inspirations, and expirations. This element keeps the fire burning in the body. Second element is space, which is Akash. It represents the hollowness of the several parts like lungs, bones, mouth, etc. It helps in completing the process of transportation and communication. Third one is the fire, which is Tejas. Fire helps in the transformation and conversion of the various matters in the body. It is responsible to maintain the temperature of the body, metabolism, sight power, and mental power. It plays a major role in converting food into fat and muscles. The other part is the water, which is represent the various fluids and liquid elements in the body, such as saliva, gastric juices, lymph, blood, and most importantly, water. Water is one of the most basic and important element that helps in human survival. The last is the earth, Prithvi. Everything solid in our body represented by this element. Solid helps in stabilizing the water. Ayurveda conceives life as a perfect union of body, mind, soul, and senses. The human body is seen as a complex matrix of interconnected system in Ayurveda, a combination of the physiological entities, the humor, the structural component, the tissues and excretions, or the waste materials. Thus, the living man is perceived as conglomeration of the three humors, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Seven basic tissues: rasa or plasma, lymph fluid, mansa or muscle, meda or fat, rakta or blood, asthi or bone, majja or marrow, or shukra and semen, and the waste products of the body, mal or stool, mutra or urine, and sweda or sweat. The development and the growth of the body matrix are directly related to its nutrition, that is food. Though the action of the five bio fire Agni is the pressure process food into the humus, tissues, and wastes in digestion, absorption, assimilation, and metabolism of the food have an interplay in health and healthy where the psychological mechanism as well as Agni, the biofire, has a significant impact. So I shall continue with the other aspect of Ayurveda in my coming videos. Till then, bye and have a healthy, happy life by adopting Ayurveda in your life.